Okay, hello. This is gonna be a bit of an unusual video for me, but I thought I'm gonna film this because as in mostly him. Let's be honest. This guy. What was that? Mostly him. I'm gonna change my old makeup room to my new makeup room, so I thought I'm gonna let you come along at the process. I'm gonna show you how the new one looks right now. I'm gonna show you how the old one looks right now, even though it's mayhem, like total anarchy. And then I'm gonna show you how it comes along so that you can see what my new makeup room is gonna look like. Like what is the popularized term on YouTube? Transformation. It's gonna be a beauty room transformation. Okay, so this is the new room. Ooh, there's some echo. And this is quite big. If you've been on my channel for a while, you know how these are some new furniture, how small my other room is. The one thing I don't like is this wall. It's not very me. Like, I don't like, it's very patterned. Like, not ugly, just not me. So I'm gonna put some drapes over here. I am gonna put that as a bench. I'm gonna be filming over here, and I'm gonna have my desk here. And there's also some wardrobes that I'm gonna use for my clothes. So I think that this is gonna be nice, and I'm gonna show you, those are going out as well. So I'm gonna show you how it all ends up eventually. And this is the part I'd rather not show you, but this is the mayhem of my room right now. There's just too many things. There's just too many things. I don't know how to fit all of these things. Like, what is this? Why is this here? It's such a mess. Like, I need to get rid of some things, and I also cannot wait to have, stupid strap, wait. I cannot wait to have my filming area not always have to be in front of my desk, because as you can see, if I want to film 2 days in a row, I have to basically climb over these things to be able to get to my desk, and I don't want that. I'm gonna miss the blue, oh my god. I'm gonna miss the blue walls over here. Hi, I'm wearing a very cute dress today. I really like this one. But yeah, I'm gonna miss the walls, but I am gonna be so excited to have more space and to get rid of some things that I just don't need anymore. Okay, so we're gonna put up, hubby's gonna drill to put up this wire in between here so that I can put a drape on top of it. Are you doing good? And I'm gonna try to assemble this one. This is like a clothing rack, a black one. I also bought a little bench to have here behind me when I'm filming. It's a black one, so hopefully I'll sort that out. So this is what the clothing rack looks like once I've opened the box, and these are the screws that IKEA gave me. 2 screws. See, this is something that I can handle. 2 screws. Yes. I am done, and I am, and I'm struggling. I am an IKEA genius. Yes, that's me. You can call me that. It's my middle name. You agree? Mm-hmm. Really? Do you? This table is a bit more advanced with some more pieces, and why is it so many screws? These are just too many. We'll see. But looky, this shelf is here. But I had to ask for some help because, yeah, this one was a bit tricky. So we've gotten a bit on the way. It's gonna be like that. Well, now it's just shoved up into a corner, but I forgot that I actually cut into the ones I already had. So I have to go to IKEA tomorrow and buy more. So this is 1 pack. I'm gonna buy more, and I'm gonna drag it all over the wall here, so it's gonna be somewhat of a white wall. It's looking a bit somewhat right now, but it's gonna be better. And I moved in some of the stuff. This is just mayhem right now as well, but this is basically gonna be where I film, not with all of these things in the background though. I'm gonna have to organize this a bit, but I don't think I'm gonna be doing that much more today. Maybe we'll move in some more things, but yeah, at least we're a bit on the way. Okay, so I lived it a bit yesterday and we did fix some more things. Wow, this is dark. Why is it so dark? Oh, that's better. So we put in the mirror and we also put in the dresser and got some hangers. And that is we didn't go to IKEA. So that is the lamp that's gonna go, well, in this sad spot. Very sad spot. Also, this is now my clothes I'm gonna toss pile. That's the beginning of it. These are the most awful tights ever from Adidas. Definitely not paying for the quality. They were awful, so I'm throwing them away. So yeah, this is what it looks like right now. Need to move in desk, put up a lamp, get the other drapes up, and get this thing right. Oh, by the way, this is the mirror. It's already in. It's so big. That is definitely what she said, and she was very excited about it. And I actually have some really nice makeup on today. Do you see this? This look might already be up on my channel. It is with the Pinky Rose Bright Lights palette, and I have some flowered pants because it's really warm today, and that is the rest of the apartment. And yeah, I am really excited about this. I got some hangers from IKEA to try out, and I really like them, so I bought some more to put on the hanger. And now we're gonna put the drapes, and I need to sort this mess. You know what this is the lamp I'm having. It's also from IKEA, but you know what this is? This is a bag full of makeup that I'm gonna give to my friends and co-workers. And this one is a big pile of things that I am gonna give away in giveaways. Yay! Okay, so the desk is at place. It is still missing the mirror though, and I got some curtains in here. They are the same that I had before, and then just all of these things. Oh boy. Okay, we're coming along pretty good. Here's the carpenter. So we have the mirror and the lights and the paintings that I had before and the little shelf that you always saw in the background of all of my videos. Got my plants here, and apparently I brought the mess as well. It's a bit messy, but everything's coming along pretty good. And look at this. Ta-da! Let there be light. So yeah, so far so good. I think I'm gonna try and declutter and organize this a bit. And I'm also gonna get some shelves here. But that I will show you next time because I don't have those currently. But yeah, so far this is what it's looking like, and it's messy, but it's really spacious and I love it. Okay, so the room is getting along fine, but we are gonna change. Oh, I cannot. Like this part here, it's gonna be longer. So we got a new, what's it called, tabletop, to get this to be longer so that that blue chair can go over here instead. And I still haven't fixed that, but I got 2 shelves that's gonna go on top of here. And I also, I'm building a lamp. Wish me luck. Like, look at this. I'm impressed. Yay, I did it. Ugh. It's a mess again. At least I tried. We're fixing this as well. Aww, look at you. Being all handy and all. We're putting up the final shelves, and that's gonna be the final thing that goes up in my room. And when I say we, I mean him. I'm the worst and he's the best. Okay, so the shelves are up. Time to move everything back into place and try and get this in order. Okay, so I got everything set up now. So this is where you enter, and I have some closets behind here. I have my clothes in here. So this is like my closet, and this is all my comfy clothes. So basically this is where I keep my clothes, and it's a lot, so it's a bit messy. I also have some here, like dresses. And this is the makeup desk. It is already in a bit of a mess because I just can't seem to keep it organized. This is the camera that I film my videos with. This is the Canon 80D, so this is the one that I film my videos with. This is the same that I had in my other room. I just keep my dubious Place palettes here, some liquid lipsticks, some foundations, just some regular things. This is this month's quad and it's just sitting here because I am filming this. Some new things that I haven't really tried yet and more new things. And this is just my acrylic organizer that I had before, and just a tray, some flowers, and just a bunch of stuff. I do have a makeup collection video up with all of these things, although some of them are new, so maybe I'll film a new one in a bit. These are, I normally put like my video IDs in little plastic baskets like this. This is when I film my full face of reviews. This one is some sleek things that I want to try out, and also some things that I had from my glossy box. This is a pile of things that I'm thinking about trying for like a full face of first impressions, because I have a lot of new things, including these things. I've got some Morphe, and I also got a Jouer, and all these are the new Divina ones. I also got these new shadows by Sydney Grace that I'm thinking about including in my like first impression full face kind of thing. This is my full mirror. Hi, this is me in my the little mermaid socks and comfy pants and all of that. This is a picture that I still really don't know where to have. I used to have this in my other room, but I'm thinking that I'm gonna put it here. I'm not sure. I put a lamp here because it was so dark in this corner. This is like my big, yeah, I have a lot of makeup in here. And then it's just like before different boxes of stuff that I don't really know where to put yet. This is the giveaway prices. This is my backup drawer. I have some skincare that I need to try together with the skincare brushes by Sigma. So that part is a bit of a mess. I put in that clothing rack that you saw me assemble. There's also a pair of shoes here. I put up some clothes for like inspiration. As you can see, I'm really living my full like yellow earthy tones and some blue and white as well. Like I love this skirt, for instance. It's so beautiful. And like this H&M dress. I just bought this top from Topshop. It's got like an asymmetric closure, like with buttons. It's really pretty. This is the blouse from Zara that I know that you really love with the cape. So just a bunch of things that I really love, and I love the way that they hang together. Looks really nice. I put my lamps here when I'm not filming because they really fit here, and I just can't have them all like in the way. I film with one ring light and two soft boxes, and this is the same shelf that I had in my previous room. I have my empties, I have some just random stuff, some more palettes, I have more palettes, extra brushes, all my perfumes. This is my favorite one. Also really love this new one by Hermes. It's the rhubarb one. Some lipsticks. This is the lipstick collection by Sephora, my Hermes bag. The perfume, I just saved it because I want to be bougie. Still got these here. Shouldn't have put these, I should take these lipsticks out. And here's my mulberry bag. And the flowers that I used to have behind me are up here instead. And just some decorations. Like this is the only PR box I've ever gotten, and this one I bought myself, so I thought it could be here. I also bought some of these icons when I've been traveling to Orthodox countries. Buy them because I think they're pretty. And a plant, and this beautiful thing, and then mine. It has to be here on display. I mean, I'm very proud of this. It's the lamp that you see behind me when I'm filming, a plant. Should really change the cap on the palettes in this display. I think I'm gonna do that. 2 rocks and just some decoration. This is a real plant, so this one this one is alive. Here I have some of the things that I use when I take my pictures for like flat lays, like the fall feathers and the fall flowers, and some of the, yeah, just things I use when I take my pictures for Instagram. Here's some hair colors that I've gotten as PR, and they're just standing here in case I want to use them. I got this little shelf at Jysk, which is a Swedish store. And yeah, I think that is everything. This is how it looks all together. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask me down below. I am really pleased at how my room is looking. It is absolutely stunning, and yeah, I'm so excited. Don't mind the garbage here. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe. The button is down below. I will see you in my next video. Bye!